Okay. Good day, class. Today, we want to look at inserting audios and videos, as well as transitions and animations. So, as usual, I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to share my sound, as well as my video. Then, I'm going to minimize this, close this. So I will open my PowerPoint application. So, like I said, we are looking at how to insert audios and videos. So far, you have learned how to insert tables, pictures, shapes, icons, smart arts, graphics, and charts. So today we want to look at how to insert audio and videos. I want to delete this slide. So, of course, you know that anything you want to insert, you have to go to your insert tab. So this is our insert tab. I want to, first of all, let me go back to home because I want to insert a new slide. Let me insert a title and content slide. And let me call this how to insert an audio file. So if you want to insert an audio file, number one, you must ensure that that audio file is on your system, is on your laptop, and you should know the location where it is, whether it's in a document, desktop, downloads, or any location. You should know where it is. So, but for us to insert an audio file, there are two ways, especially if you have this type of slide layouts where you have these icons. We have this one is pictures, this one is smart arts, the graphic, this is 3D models, this is video as well as audio, this is table, this is chart. So you can write from this icon on this placeholder, click on it, or you can come to your insert tab, and then towards the end of your insert tab, there is media group. So in this media group, that's where you have your video, you have your audio, and as well as a screen recorder if you want to record your screen. So let me insert from this icon in the placeholder. So I will click on it. Even though it's video that is there, you can also insert an audio file right from there. So the audio I want to insert is in my document. Then under documents, it's in, I think, Snap app, Snap, SnapTube. So this is the audio that I want to insert. That is it. So I have been able to insert the audio. It's as simple as that. Now we can format this audio that we have inserted and do a few things, but I will leave that to the video. When we insert our video, I will show us a few things we can do. Now, audio, video is almost the same thing. So let me just do it when we get to video. So this we have inserted our audio file. So if you want to play it, you will see you will see play, and then you click on it, play, and your audio will begin to play. So let me pause it. So like I said, there are a few things we can do to format this audio and to do some things. I will show you when we get to video. So the same way it works in video is the same way for audio. So whatever you learn in video can still be applied to this audio. So that is how to insert an audio file. Very simple. Now let us go to video. How do we insert a video in our PowerPoint presentation? Let's say in your presentation you want to play a video. So how do you go about it? You must have inserted the video, before you begin your presentation. So once you start your presentation and it gets to the point where you want to play the video, you just go to the slide and then you play your video. So I will show you how that can be done. In fact, you can even do it in such a way that once you get to that slide, your video will play automatically without you even clicking on anything. And then you can also format it in such a way that once you get to the slide, you will have to click, on the play, on the play function there, and then it will start to play. So I will show you how to do that. But before I proceed, let's insert a new slide. Let's see, insert this title and content slide. So let's call this how to insert a video clip, or how to insert a video clip, or how to insert a video, whichever. So let's also insert it from this placeholder. So I will go straight here. Like I said, when we did for audio, you must ensure that you have the video clip in your laptop or in your system, and you should know the location where the video file is. So I will click on this insert video. Then I'll go to desktop. My video is in desktop, and this video is Anchor University Anthem. That is the video insert. Then this is it. I've been able to insert the video. Let me just play. Let me just play it and see if it will play. I'll just click this play the button here, imaginary the button. I'll just click on it. You click on it, and then born of noble vision to raise exceptional. So now the video played. Now let me show you some things that we can do when you insert a video. So before you format your video, you have to click on it. So when you click on it, there are two tabs that will appear. You see the video format tab and then the playback tab. So it is in these two tabs, mainly in this playback tab, mainly that you can do a few things, on the video. So let's come to this video formats. So these are not so serious things that we can do, but for example, we can change the shape. If you look at this shape at the moment, is like this is a rectangular shape. So we can change the shape to an, for example, should we change to an oval shape, or let us change it to this isosceles, this rounded the corners, rectangle rounded the corners, and see how it will be. You can see, so we have changed the shape to this rounded the corners. Then if you want to change the video border, the color of the video border, you can do that. Maybe you want it to be blue. So if you check, you will see that the line, that the border is showing, blue. So those are a few things you can do. If you want to change the video effects, you want it to have, you can see a kind of effect here. So these are some things you can do under video format. Video styles. If you want to change the video styles, you can also do that. I think I like this one. This snip diagonal corner white. So you can see how we have formatted the appearance, of the shape of the video shape. So those are the things we can do under the format, under video formats. But that's not where we can do, the major, things that we need to do. That one is under playback. So when, when you come to this playback, this is where you can really do some, things about the video. So don't forget that you have to click on the video and then you click on this playback tab. So the first thing that I want to show us is so for this video, when it finishes playing, we want it to come back to this to this particular, beginning where it is that has the Anchor University logo. Now, as it is like this, if we play this video and it ends, it will not come back to this the very place, this very state where we have the Anchor logo. So let us try it and see what I am trying to say. So if I click play, I click play, let me see, it has finished playing and this is where it is, because this is the last part, of the video. So you can see that it didn't go back to, that original place that has the Anchor logo. Now, supposing you want it to go back there when it finishes playing, that means you have to select this rewind after playing. So you check this rewind after playing. Now, let's now play it and see. I'm not playing it from the very beginning. So let me click play on the solid rock. What is happening? Can you see now? It finishes playing and it comes back to, this place that has the Anchor University logo. So if you want this, if you want your video to always go back to that very beginning when it finishes playing, you have to select this rewind after playing. So the next thing that I want to show us is, supposing you want this video to play continuously until you are the one that will stop it. If you want it to play continuously, so what do? You have to select this loop until stopped. So you check on it, loop until stopped. So if you select this, what it means is the video will play continuously. When it ends, it will start again. It ends, it will start again. It will play continuously until you now stop it yourself. So that is what this loop until stopped will do. In fact, if you even take your mouse, there, it will show you that it will repeat the audio or video clip until it is stopped. So even this one that we click at this first one, rewind after playing, it says rewind the audio or video clip after it is done playing. Initially I said what applies to this to video also applies to audio. That's why you can see this audio or video. So the reason I didn't take time to explain this in video, so in audio. So everything that we are doing on this the video file can also be done, if you insert your audio file. Now, let us try it. Let us play it and see whether it will repeat when it ends. So before I play it, let me fast forward it to almost the end. So let me play it now.
Values on the solid rock, our hope blues.
It has ended. Let's see if it will play again on its own.
Anchor University.
That is it. So it will continue to repeat once it ends. It will do that continuously until you stop it on your own. So that is the option that you have to select if you want the video to be repeated, when it ends. So another thing that I want to show you is how to trim. Like if you watch this a particular video, if you play it, it will not start to play until it gets to 7 seconds, which I don't really like. So if you click play now, you see it will not start until about 7 seconds. So we have a delay for about 7 seconds, but I want to do it in such a way that when I click play, it will just start to play. It won't have to wait for 7 seconds. So I can trim it. In fact, if you want this Anchor University anthem as 2 stanza. So if you want only the stanza 1 to play, you don't want the stanza 2 to play, you can trim it. So just come to this trim video. So the first thing that I want to do is to ensure that this video starts to play immediately without waiting for about 7 seconds to pass before it starts. So I will trim it. There are two ways you can trim it. You can drag it to where you want, or if you know the exact time, you can just come to this place and just put the exact time that you want. So the video ends 2 minutes 10 seconds. The 2 minutes 10 seconds. So I want it to start around 7 seconds. Let me change this to 00. So I want it to start 7 seconds. Now, I don't want the second stanza to play. I don't want the second stanza to start from distinguish and beloved anchor, right? That's the beginning of the second stanza, which I don't want to play. So I have to adjust it, adjust it, adjust it, adjust it, adjust it, adjust it until I don't want. So let me now see if okay. So you can see that. So you adjust it to a perfect. Okay, this is 107. Then you can just try it and see. Okay, I I think it works. So I'll just come here. I don't want. This is the beginning of the second stanza, which I don't want. So let me adjust it a little. Okay, I think to 1 minute, 1 minute 7 seconds is the perfect time. So or I can just come here. It's either I use this, or if you know the exact time, you can just come here and just type it directly. So I will have to drag this. Oh, if you want to trim, you have to drag this. This green is from the beginning, while this red is the end. If you want to drag from the end, so I will drag this until I get to that 107. It must not, this second stanza must not show. Once it shows, that means we have not done a good job. So I don't want it to show. At the same time, it's around one, there's something like this. So we have trimmed it. I want it to start 7 seconds. I don't want that delay. I, I want it to just start to play once I click play. So that's why I had to bring it to 7 seconds. And then I don't want stanza 2 to play. So that's why I had to trim it for it to end at the what do they call, after the stanza, the chorus, you know, after the stanza 1 and the chorus. This is the chorus, and this is the chorus. Yes. Anchor University, our great heritage. This is the chorus. So I just want the stanza 1 to play, and then the chorus for it to end. I don't want the stanza 2 to play. So once you trim it, remember I said there are two ways to trim. It's either you use this your these two arrows here, or if you know the exact time, just come here and just type it straight. So once you do that, you click OK. Once you do that, you click OK. Now, let us play it now. If we play it, you will see that play. You see, can you see it? It just started.
Anchor University, born of noble vision.
Let me come in. Okay.
Anchor University, born of
Glue. If I didn't do a perfect job. That that glue was cut off. So let me see if I can adjust the timing. Now, instead of this, maybe I should make this 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Let me see if I will get it. Play. I say did not get it. I want it to end where our hope glues. That glue is missing. Glues. Our hope. Let me see if I change this to 8. This 8 has already passed it. 7 seconds. Okay. I think I can still do something. Let me try this one. So play it. Perfect. Okay, glues at least. At least it said glue. So that's it. I've been able to trim this. You can see that once you click play, it will play. That space for about 7 seconds, gone. So that is how to trim. You can trim your video, the way I have shown you. Now, but the last thing that I want to show you is how you want the video to start when you are presenting. Now, there are 3 ways you can, if you want it to just start the normal way, or if you want it to start automatically, you have to select automatically. If you want it to start by a click, when click, that means when you get to that slide where the video is, it will not play until you click on it. Let us try it. Let us go to insert. No, that's a slideshow. Let's go to slideshow, shortcuts, slideshow. So, and this is so escape. Let me go to this. It seems as if this audio playback in click a sequence. So let me also change this to when click on. So let me go back to our slideshow. Something. Okay. So let me go to slideshow, video. So It will not play. End of slide. Sorry. Oh, this is my escape. Okay. Okay, so this is, let us go to slideshow. Slideshow. So it will not play until until you click on the play. I cannot move this. Let me move this up and come to this place. So once you get here, it will not play until you click on this play. When you click on the play, it will start to play. It will start to play. So we go to slideshow.
Anchor University, born of.
So that is it. It will not, once it gets there, it will not play until you click on play. Now, but if you want it to play automatically, if you want your video or your audio to play automatically, you have to come and select automatically. You have to come and select automatically. So let's see. Let's go to our slideshow. Now let's go to where we have the video. You can see I didn't even
Anchor University, born of noble.
so I didn't even click on play. It just played on its own. That was because I selected start automatically. So if you want your video to start on its own, to start automatically, to start without you having to press to click play or to press play, you have to come here and select automatically. So that's how, this is how we can insert an audio file and a video clip or video file. And then I've also shown you on some of the things we can do, how we can trim, or if you wanted to rewind after playing, if you wanted to play repeatedly, and how to also format the shape and the appearance of the audio file or the audio clip that you have inserted. So I was supposed to also teach you transitions and animations. So, but I will do another recording for that. Yes. So I will end for now, and then later I will do another recording for transitions and animations. So let me stop sharing, and let me end this class for now. So I'll see you guys in the next class, which will be transitions and animations. Thank you.